Ever wondered how to make virtual event networking actually work? In the next few minutes, I'll show you how the vFairs chat networking platform helps your attendees find connections and network better at any event. Let's get started. First, let's talk about capacity. The vFairs chat networking platform supports up to 10,000 concurrent users with unlimited messages and chat rooms. This is ideal for large conferences, job fairs, and trade shows. But scalability is just the beginning. We've reimagined how people discover and join conversations online. Every chat room provides instant context on who's online and the theme of the room, from company logos and detailed descriptions to real-time participant counts. Under the Rooms tab, you'll see our sorting options that help you find where the action is. For example, the most active rooms with ongoing conversations or the most popular ones with high participant counts. And if you need to find the right people, vFairs also generates a match percentage based on your profile data, showing attendees how compatible they are with other participants. And when they find potential connections, their profiles tell them everything they need to know at a glance. Professional tags highlight their expertise, resumes are instantly viewable, and sharing contact cards takes just one click. It's all designed to help them connect with the right people. Keeping these conversations organized is just as simple. Add sticky notes for quick references. You can pin important messages to keep them visible, and use emoji reactions for quick engagement. For longer discussions, our multi-threaded chats prevent messages from getting lost, while rich media sharing lets you exchange files, images, documents, and more, all within the conversation. Sometimes text isn't enough, and that's where our integrated calling features come in. Launch audio or video calls with a single click. Our flexible and resizable chat windows follow you across the virtual platform, ensuring you never miss a moment of connection. Now, let's talk about the exhibitor experience for a moment. For exhibitors managing multiple conversations, especially recruiters at job fairs, we've made it simple to give every attendee the attention they deserve. Exhibitors can set conversation limits that work for their team, show real-time wait times to attendees, and let automated queue updates keep everyone informed. And if they need more time with a promising lead or candidate, they can simply extend conversations without worrying about managing the queue. The vFairs chat platform handles it all. The vFairs chat networking platform isn't just another chat software, it's a networking engine designed to convert virtual strangers into valuable connections. Ready to see how we can take networking at your events to the next level? Contact us at sales@vfairs.com. Thank you for watching.